This video is going to show how to control noise contributions from specific components in PSpice. Performing noise analysis is an important part of real-world simulation to ensure that the circuit performs as intended in non-ideal conditions. If a noise analysis fails, the design can be corrected by first determining which components are contributing the most noise. PSpice allows designers to control noise contribution for any component in the circuit to help identify and correct sources of noise. Start by opening the provided design in PSpice Designer. Noise analysis is performed as part of the AC sweep analysis. To create a new simulation profile, select PSpice New Simulation Profile from the menu. Name the simulation profile AC Noise Analysis and click Create. If the Simulation Manager Product Choices window opens, select the appropriate license and click OK. Here you can configure the type of simulation to run and any additional settings. Select AC Sweep Noise from the Analysis Type drop-down to run a noise analysis. The other settings are automatically updated. Set the start frequency to 1 meg, the end frequency to 1 GHz, and the points per decade to 10. To activate noise analysis, check Enabled under Noise Analysis. Enter VV out for the output voltage, V2 for the IV source, and 1K for the interval. The output voltage defines a node where noise output is measured. The IV source defines the name of the source where the equivalent input noise is calculated. The interval defines how often the noise analysis data is written to the output file. Click OK to save the settings and close the window. Before any simulation results are displayed, we need to place probes on the circuit to tell the simulation what to print. Select the voltage level marker button from the toolbar. Click to place probes at the input and output nets, then right-click and select End Mode. We are now ready to run the simulation. Select PSpice Run from the menu. View the simulation results. The signal output is plotted as a low-pass amplifier. Let's adjust the parameters to view the noise output. Double-click the trace name and the legend at the bottom of the plot to open the Modify Trace window. Select VO noise from the simulation variable outputs list and click OK. Now double-click VN to change the input trace. Select VI noise from the simulation output variables list and click OK. View the plot. The input noise amplitude rises at higher frequencies, and the output noise curve looks about the same as the output signal curve. The plotted curves can be saved and shown the next time the simulation is run to reuse settings and save time with analysis setup. To do this, select Simulation Edit Profile from the menu. This will reopen the Simulation Settings window. Select Probe Window from the list on the left. Select Last Plot under Show and click OK. The next time the simulation is run, the same noise plot will be shown. The simulation will also list the components that contribute the most noise. To view this, select View Output File from the menu. The simulation log file opens showing model parameters, node voltages, power dissipation, and top contributors to noise. Scroll to the section for top contributors to output noise. Transistor Q1 is listed as the top noise contributor. Close the PSpice AD window. Q1 can be modified in the schematic to not count its noise contributions. Select the transistor and right-click and select Edit Properties to open the Property Editor window. This window shows a table of all properties applied to the component. To create a new property, select New Property. The Add New Property window opens. Enter Noise List for the name and Yes for the value. Click OK to add the property. This property ignores all noise from the component it's applied to. Click Apply and close the Property Editor tab. With the noise from Q1 isolated, we need to run the simulation again to view the results. Select PSpice Run from the menu. The plotted input and output are mostly the same, so let's check the output file for differences. Select View Output File from the menu. Scroll to the section for top contributors to output noise and view the list. Noise from Q1 is being ignored, so R5 is now listed as the highest noise contributor. Quickly isolate noise contributing components and ensure your design performs as intended with PSpice. For more tutorials, visit us at resources.ema-eva.com, and don't forget to like and subscribe to our YouTube channel.